Lexy here. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Lexy Rodriguez. I'm a 17-year-old Filipina YouTuber. The reason why my face is very bare today is because we're gonna be doing my makeup together. And the makeup that I'll be using is by Sarah Geronimo. It's her own cosmetic line and it's called Pop Studio. And I'm so pumped to try this out because I've seen a couple local beauty gurus upload their reviews and thoughts about this, and I decided, since I am not a beauty guru, I just decided to why not try it and just have like a first impression. So again, disclaimer, this is not a review, this is just my own thoughts and experience about using her makeup. So basically, I actually got this PR package when I visited the launch and her concert for Pop Studio at New Frontier, and I can't wait to try this out. So basically, this is called her album starter set, and this one is number 2. You can buy this at pop-up stores or their kiosks in Watson's, SM Beauty Stores, Lazada PH, Shopee, and beautybeat.ph. I'll be leaving the links down below, and you can also follow the Instagram at Pop Studio PH. I really like the packaging. It's definitely what the brand is. It definitely pops out. It's very unique and very colorful and very chic, and it has Sarah Geronimo's face over here, and I believe she used, of course, her own products. Enough with the talking, let's now do my makeup. So to start off our makeup, we're gonna be using this covers foundation stick and liquid concealer for our base. So this is how it looks like, and this is the foundation stick. Then you have to twist the other side for the concealer. So let's start off with our base. I'll be using the mirror from the powder, and I'm just gonna be applying this all over my face. I don't know if this is the right shade. It kind of looks dark on me. I'm gonna be blending this out with a sponge. Okay, so that is how one layer of foundation looks like on my face. I don't know if it's just me, but it looks a bit too dark for me. But this was the shade given to me, so let's just deal with it. Let's proceed on to the concealer. I hope that this will brighten up my under eyes. So I'm just gonna be making a triangle, and I don't think this is gonna be brightening up my under eyes because it looks like exactly my shade. Okay, and again, I'm gonna be just blending this with a sponge. With the base, and looking at it right now, they both did their job, the foundation and concealer. However, I think the only downside is the shade. I feel like it's worth the item because it did their job naman. However, you just really need to get the right shade. So I think it's better to go to an actual or physical store to be able to try it out so that you wouldn't waste your 250 pesos. But anyways, now that we've done our base, let us set it with the powder. So this has 2 shades. The other one is literally white. The other one is my skin tone. It comes with its own applicator underneath, and it also has a mirror. So it's very compact, perfect on the go. So let's try it out. And guys, it's very matte, which is pretty nice. And of course, don't forget your neck so that it's evened out. So I'm done with the powder. This is how it looks like. Again, it is matte, and I like the finish of it. It doesn't feel heavy on my face. Mattifying and coverage powder is 250 pesos. I feel like, again, this one did a pretty good job. Now let us move on to the Pop Studio Tones blush and contour. So this is how it looks like, same with the powder, and it looks like a really nice color. And then underneath again is a small tiny brush, and I'm just gonna be applying this to the apples of my cheeks. And guys, it definitely gave color right away, but it's not that it's not too pigmented. I feel like it's very subtle. And even if the bristles of this applicator is medyo manipis, it's easy to apply to cheeks, which I like. So now let's try on the contour, which looks dark again. I'm gonna be using my own brush for this, and it honestly looks a bit dark. So okay, so ba't ganun? Parang ang sobrang dark niya. May nangyari na. Okay, nalobat camera ko, but I am back. But as I was saying, 350, I'm not quite sure if it's worth it. If it was only the blush, yes it is. But the contour is just really a no for me. I just really didn't like it. So yeah, I have mixed feelings for this one. Now let's move on to our brows. This is the Major's Brow Pencil and Mascara. Can you guys see that? Parang gamit na siya. Pero first time ko nga lang siya buksan. Sadly, I feel like the shade is too brown for my eyebrows because I do have black hair. But let's see. What I actually observed about this brow pencil is that medyo thick siya. Like, it's bigger, like, compared to other brow pencils. But for me, it is easy to apply. But let's keep going. I'm gonna be blending this out with a spoolie. Okay, so while blending this out, I could observe that the brow pencil did actually a pretty good job. So what I tried to do was just use a little amount so that it looks natural and it's not too obvious. We can't jump into conclusions because we still have the brow mascara, which again, hindi to shade ko. Like, sa nakikita ko pa lang guys, sobrang brown yan na. Now that I'm applying the brow mascara, I can now notice that my brows are starting to look a bit brown, but I'm gonna stop there. So I'm just gonna be applying very little because I don't want it to look super noticeable. This cost 299 pesos. I feel like it is worth it, but again, just get the right shade so that you'd be very satisfied with your 300 pesos. Now let's move on to Miner's Liquid Eyeliner Pen Duo. If you guys know me personally, dito lang ako gumagamit ng eyeliner. Anyways, since this is for the video, let's try it out. But guys, don't expect like a wing eyeliner kasi hindi ako marunong nun. Siguro straight lang gagawin ko just to try it out. Okay, so it has two sides. The other one is a bit thicker, the other one is thinner. And let's try to swatch it. Wow, swatch! Here. Wow, it's very black. Okay, so yan. So that's how it looks like. Ito yung mas thin, tapos ito yung mas thick. Oh my gosh, guys, natatakot ako sa dito lang ako magamit ng eyeliner. I don't know if you guys could see that, pero nalagyan ko siya ng maliit na wing. I don't know, hindi ko lang nagawa na straight. So, I just messed up my own makeup look. Let's try to do it on the other side. Okay, I am done using this eyeliner. And I don't know if you guys could notice, but I did put a little wing. And I really like it. It's very black. Now, let's move on again to Tempo, which is a lip and cheek tint. So, we cannot obviously use this on our cheeks kasi meron na akong blush. So, let's just swatch it. This is how the first shade looks like. It's like a reddish color. Guys, I'm so sorry by lighting ng video na to. But anyways, this is the other lip and cheek tint. And iba yung applicator niya. Ito naman parang purple. Parang purple yung shade niya. So, I'm just gonna be applying it here. I'm gonna spread it out. Oh my gosh, ang weird, ang weird. Dito lang talaga siya nagstay sa middle. Hindi siya nag-blend din. I don't really like this lip and cheek tint because I am a fan of lip and cheek tints that is very easy to blend and that looks very natural. I just feel like it stands out too much. Like, it's too bright and it doesn't look the same. Now let us move on to the Hits Matte Lipstick and Lip Balm. So this is how the lipstick looks like. And it does look very matte. And let's swatch it. Wow, it is very matte. Parang siyang ano, it reminds me of the Sunny's Face. So this is the shade. It looks really nice actually. It's like a reddish pinkish color. And the lip balm is underneath, which I think is a really good idea. So let's first try out the lip. Oh my gosh. Honestly, mahirap siyang kunin kasi mahaba yung nails ko. Wait, how am I gonna do this? So that is the lip balm. I am pretty confident that it did its job. It moisturized my lips naman. But now let's move on to the lipstick. I am deeply sorry guys, the lighting keeps on changing. It's definitely stressing me out. I should have filmed earlier, but guys, I feel like the lipstick doesn't suit me. I almost thought I was done, but I forgot to do my mascara. So I'm just gonna be curling it right now. So we're gonna be trying this out, which is supposed to be for lengthening and volumizing. So I feel like this is the one for volumizing, and then the other side I believe is for lengthening. I'm not quite sure, maybe it's vice versa. So I'm just gonna be applying this. I don't know if you guys could notice, but it definitely made my lashes look longer. This is the one with, and this one is without. It's kind of hard to tell because I am wearing eyeliner also, which makes my eyes pop. So this is the look with mascara, and I really like this mascara, you guys. I feel like it looks very natural, makes my lashes look like wider, and hindi siya yung parang dumikit-dikit. Okay, you guys, so that is how my makeup turned out using Pop Studio for the first time. And honestly, I am disappointed with some of the items. Not because of their formula or anything. They did their job. However, the shade isn't the right shade for me. That's why the brows look a bit brown. It's super different from my hair color. And the foundation and concealer was a bit too dark for me. So at the start of my makeup, I was a bit off. But the mascara and the blush was super duper nice. Honestly, I did like the formula of the lipstick. However, again, the shade just doesn't really suit me, or it's something that I wouldn't really go for. I'm really curious what products you guys really want to try out from Pop Cosmetics, so leave that in the comments down below. But again, I'm so sorry if the lighting of this video keeps on changing because I filmed pretty late, so that is my bad. My apologies, but I'll try to make it up the next video. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below to be part of the Lexinators fam and to get updated and notified every time I post a video. Follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. They're both at Lexy Rodriguez with 2 Z's. So anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!